Learned State Counsel on instructions from H.C. Jagdish Kumar present in court submits that in compliance of the aforesaid order, the petitioner was taken under armed escort to attend the marriage ceremony and has been deposited back to the jail on the same date. On a query put by this court as to whether the petitioner can be admitted back in late hours, Learned State Counsel on telephonic instructions received from Sri Harcharan Singh Gill, Additional Superintendent, Central Jail, Patiala, submits that the petitioner can be admitted back in the late hours in case such a direction is issued by the court. Stranger. In the light of the above discussion, the petitioner is permitted to attend the marriage reception scheduled for today, that is 9/11/2023, as per the invitation card (annexed P2). Petitioner be taken to the venue of reception under armed escort at 4 p.m. and brought back to the jail by 12 p.m. today itself. The expenses of the entire arrangement shall be borne by the family of the petitioner. There would be no need for a certified copy of this order for conveying the same to the quarter concerned, and any advocate for the petitioner can download this order along with case status from the official web page of this doctor and attest it to be a true copy. Stranger. We have heard learned counsel for the appellant and the Patna High Court LPA number 923 of 2011 dated 17/1/2013. Respondent University. No one appears on behalf of the respondent numbers 8 to 11 despite valid service of notice. The Bihar College Service Commission is stated to have been wound up subsequently. The notice issued to it has thus been returned unserved. We are informed that the functions of the commission have subsequently by amendment been vested in the university. The appellant is aggrieved by the order dated 13/7/2010 dismissing CWJC number 3982/97. Mandamus had been sought to be recommend the name of the petitioner for appointment on the first post of lecturer in commerce at the Dr. Prabhunath Singh Degree College, Chhapra (hereinafter referred to as the college) on the plea that he was working since 1982. Relief had also been sought to annul the appointment of respondent number 11. Stranger. The writ court held that the under Section 57 (a) of the Bihar State Universities Act (hereinafter referred to as the Act) any appointment in an affiliated college could be made only on the recommendation of the College Service Commission. The college was granted affiliation for the first time on 19 to 1988. Any service rendered before affiliation was rightly not taken into consideration by the commission. The petitioner had submitted his candidature before the commission for the first post of lecturer in commerce on 2 occasions. Wide advertisement number 1972 upon 89 and 604 upon 94 stop. He was called for an interview but was declared unsuccessful on both occasions. Stop. If the petitioner was Patna High Court LPA number 923 of 2011 dated 7/1/2013, unsuccessful on the basis of inter se evaluation of merit and no challenge was laid out to the manner of selection, relief could not be granted on the expectation that he had a right to be recommended in view of his earlier appointment and experience. Stop over.